Martin, Fineqia has launched Bitcoin Yield ETP, so that's YBTC. What sets this apart from the many passive Bitcoin ETPs already on the market?
The difference is we generate superior yield. So we're not just getting exposure to the underlying asset, we're also getting enhanced yield.
Martin, can you walk us through how that mechanism works?
Yes, of course. So investors in our exchange traded products gain exposure both to the growth in the underlying asset, but also yield. And the way we do that is some of the money put into the product is utilized in DeFi protocols to generate enhanced yields. And the profits from those, we don't take in cash or other tokens, we take it in Bitcoin. So that adds to the underlying Bitcoin the investor owns. So not only does the investor get the benefit of having an exchange traded product with all the liquidity and safety and things, they also get exposure to the underlying asset and enhanced yield, and they don't have the hassle of managing wallets, worrying about the security protocols.
The Cardano Enhanced Yield ETN, so that's YADA, another of your products, how does it complement YBTC in the portfolio?
I suppose it's all around product diversification. So Cardano is a very interesting protocol. It's the market leader in security and speed. And so it gives a different type of exposure to the investor. And in the end, what we're trying to do is enhance yields that our investors get through exposure to different networks in the digital asset space.
Why was Europe chosen as the first market to list these products, and how important are exchanges like Euronext and Vienna to your growth?
So Europe was the obvious place, because Europe really is a pioneer. It's got probably the most mature digital asset regulatory regime. So it enables a lot of digital assets to be listed in Europe, and it also enables exchange traded products with enhanced yield like our product. So that's very important. Being on an exchange in Europe obviously enables us to reach more investors. It helps us as a company because it helps us in terms of our profile. It helps us access new pools of capital. It actually enables us to passport into different types of countries as well, which I think is quite useful going forward.
You've partnered with Salion Operations on DeFi architecture. How does this partnership strengthen your offering?
Well, so we started working with Salion in April this year, and they are the advisor on our Bitcoin product. And basically they have deep domain expertise in managing DeFi protocols and generating yield. And for us, for our investors, working with very blue chip partners makes a big difference. And their track record is brilliant. In the last 3 years, they've been generating 5-6% yields plus across Bitcoin products. So basically they're the best in the market, and we need to work with the best in the market.